channel, glad to have you here. In today's exclusive video, I'm going to be sharing with you part 4 of the trivia Amazon KDP keywords to help you get started making trivia books for Amazon KDP, utilizing these beautiful, profitable Amazon KDP keywords for your title, for your subtitle, and for your 7 keyword slots. Now, if you're new here to the channel, we do daily videos talking about profitable Amazon KDP keywords, tips and strategies to make passive income online. So if you're interested in these kind of videos, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new videos. Let's get started with first keyword for the day, and I have 2 free trials for you linked in the description box below that will help you with your Amazon KDP journey, starting with a 30-day free trial for Creative Fabrica, which is my go-to when it comes to interiors, graphics, and keywords. Also a 30-day free trial for Canva Pro, which is amazing for formatting, editing, and uploading KDP interiors from Creative Fabrica to Canva and editing them in a very seamless, beautiful, automated way. Now let's get started with the first keyword for the day out of the 3, and our first keyword is trivia book for adults 18 plus. Now this amazing keyword has a keyword niche score of 68, quite strong and quite solid by self-publishing titans. Also, we have a total results around that 1,000 range and sitting at 1,109. The average bestseller rank is between that 300 to 400,000, which is ideal, and it is sitting at an average of 396,508. Average reviews are 2,422. Average price is $11.19, which is also a good indicator as well. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to ignore the number 4 given by Amazon's Gap Pro because it does not fit with the beautiful juicy data that we have right here. Total results within that 1,000 range, average bestseller rank under 400,000, a good number of average reviews indicating that there is customer engagement with the actual products and books under this keyword, and a strong keyword niche score. All that is enough for me to stick with the data right here and ignore the number 4. Now coming down here, we want to ignore also any book that is sponsored, which is the top 2 books, and we want to focus on books that have a bestseller rank that are not sponsored. For example, we've got this one. This one is titled 399 Games, Puzzles, and Trivia Challenges, specifically designed, or especially, my apologies, designed to keep your brain young. Now, let alone don't see the exact same keyword trivia book for adults mentioned in the title or subtitle, but what they're doing here, they are mentioning it in the 7 keyword slots, and that's the key right here. This is why we find this book a bestseller rank of 2,896 and listed as number 7 in the category of trivia. They've utilized this keyword as part of the 7 keyword slots, and this is exactly what I want you to do to get your book ranking in as little as a month. Get a ranking for keywords that you haven't mentioned the title or subtitle yet, they're connected as well. This one has a bestseller rank of 130,089. This one right here has also a bestseller rank of 439,000, 102,000, and they're all basically trivia books that are targeted for adults. So if you have any sort of trivia game book, activity book for adults, use this keyword to get your book ranking for this amazing keyword right here. So that was the first keyword for the day. Let's hop in and jump and talk about the second keyword for the day, which is road trip trivia book adults. Now this is a special keyword that fits all the profitability metrics. First of all, we have a strong keyword niche score of 78 by self-publishing titans and a keyword niche score of number 7 by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, categorizing this as a nice niche. So a confirmation from both of the Chrome extensions, especially from Titans. And also Titans has given this a total results, or this has a total results of 1,149, which is within that 1,000 range. Coming to the average bestseller rank, it's currently less than 300,000 and it's averaging 198,215. Average reviews are 342 and average price is $10.10. So this is exactly the same as the previous keyword, but this is more tailored towards a road trip. So preferably 8.5 times 11 inches would be nice as a large print. Alternatively, you could also sub niche by creating a version that is more of a pocket size, a travel size version, which is a 6 by 9 inches, 8.5 times 8.5, 12 by 12. These kind of sizes are perfect to put into the bag or put into the the travel bag, and that way they'll be able to carry it throughout their road trip. And it contains a lot of different trivia exercises, a lot of different trivia pages as well. And that's why it's important that we understand for the word road trip that it needs to be quality, as always. Quality is, something not to be discussed, but also quantity is what's going to win the game here. Quantity and sizing is what is important. Get it the right size, get it the right quantity. The more you offer number of pages, the better it is. And the more activities in there, the better it is as well. Anything to keep those adults occupied for as long as possible. So you can also sub-niche in terms of what kind of trivia you want. Now, yes, you are creating it for adults. This is your audience right over here. And the contents are going to be a trivia book, and it's for the road trip. But what is the main theme? Is it like a combination? Would you like to create a general road trip trivia book? Or would you like to create a specific one, such as one for anything about science, history, pop culture, sports? Sports are crazy. Sports are one of the biggest trivia book sub-niche sellers as well. And we've discussed a couple of sports-related trivia KDP keywords previously in this video. So if you'd like to dive in, I'm going to also create a playlist here on the channel titled Trivia Books, and it's going to contain a list of wonderful profitable KDP keywords that you can utilize for your books to get them ranking and to get them the engagement and the exposure that they deserve. So road trip trivia book for adults or adults is an amazing keyword with a keyword niche score of 78, and that was our second keyword. Let's talk about our third and final keyword for today's video, and it is activity book for kids trivia. Now, this has a keyword niche score of 63 by Titans, total results of 5,611. And yes, I do hear you, it is slightly high, but we're going to utilize this for the 7 keyword slots because of the higher results. So I don't want you to skip this. I don't want you to overlook it because it does have extreme potential in your 7 keyword slots. The average bestseller rank is 498,790, which is within that 400,000 range, and average reviews are 305, and average price is $9.52. Amazing keyword. Utilize it for the 7 keyword slots, and you can create it as a large print, 8.5 times 11 inches. You can also have it a combination of different activity sheets in there as well, but mainly trivia. So have it around 70 to 80% trivia exercises, and the rest is going to be a combination of other activity activity exercises for adults. So these were our 3 keywords for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.